What's up, guys? Today we are fishing in La Jolla, and I'm out here with the brother Ken. We heard that the Bonito were biting, so our first stop was to load up on some bait. It was a super nice day, probably one of the best conditions I've ever seen out here. One more toss and troll.
Yeah.
Thought I felt nibbles. Could have been seaweed though. I'm gonna put a sabiki on too. What?
Freaking whale.
No way. Oh shoot.
Crazy.
We ended up hooking on some large mackerel and we were having too much fun catching them. These are probably too big to use as bait, but they are good eating, so we decided to keep catching them over the Bonito. Nice, bro.
Finally. Thanks, bro.
Yeah. I think I'm on.
Yeah? Sure. Oh, there's a big white thing on it.
I feel like I'm stuck on something.
Oh.
I don't know. Oh, do you have something in there?
No. That's someone else's. Yeah, that's someone else's.
Oh shit. Yo, what the heck? Hey, at least I came up on this.
Hey! That's clutch.
But there was hella fish after.
Yeah, they're like housing a frenzy right now.
On the squid?
Yeah. Let's go.
Fuck yeah. I'm on too.
Let's go.
Ah! They're big ass macs too.
For real.
Stay on.
On squid?
Hey, no, on the swim bait.
Oh.
We're all bleeding out mackerels.
You cut them up too.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm hella down to eat these.
I know, they're
They're so meaty.
They're big ass necks.
Another one. Oh no, got low.
Outside though?
Oh, I don't care about the blood.
Oh,
As long as you don't like pop the boat.
okay.
Oh. Oh shit, Ken.
I know. I put it a little late. Hey, you can enjoy this moment because he's fighting. No, he came off.
How many do we have right now? 2?
4.
4? Oh shit. After we clean up, I'll probably take my stove over and we could cook them up. I'm still getting nibbles though.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Oh, stay on the squid.
Nice. Yeah.
Nice, bro.
Oh, more whales.
No?
Of them.
Where?
Over there.
Oh shit.
You see them? Look at them. Look at them.
Oh yeah. So cool, bro.
Damn it, I'm on again.
Dang it.
Too big. Too big.
Some of them are pretty big. Us hella excited over mackerels.
Look how fat they are though.
I know. Yo, the squid's working wonders.
I know.
Thanks, Lorena. Yo, you could hella see them attacking it.
I know.
I decided to put my GoPro in the water and you could see a school of mackerel swimming around, probably like 20 feet deep. You could just see how clear the water is. Then one takes the lure and makes a run for it. Come on.
Hey. Nice.
Ooh.
Let's go. You're putting them in there?
Yeah.
It's a Mac!
All that commotion for a Mac? Damn, what a rush.
I know.
You find any bones 10 miles off the mission?
Bones.
Mackerel. 2, gotcha. Thanks, kid.
Let's go. I see them. Nice, bro.
Oh, he's fighting. He's fighting.
I heard mackerels are really good to eat too in terms of like they're safe and they're good for you. Yep, there's a school down there.
Yay!
Yay! Yeah!
Hey, what the heck
Oh.
is that? The baby killed that.
Hey, it's a calico.
A calico. What the? Oh, he cut the.
Oh shit! Goodbye, Kelly. Don't forget to write.
Should we try that?
One more, and then we can try others. And then I'll be tired of catching them.
Oh
Like my fishing pole holder. Hella blood on my toes here.
Oh.
Oh, getting nibs. I'm gonna try a sabiki and see what happens.
Maybe you should put squid on the sabiki.
Ooh.
You want to put them in here?
Yeah.
Damn, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Holy crap, we got a lot.
Yeah.
Can't wait for your daughter to meet your daughter, dude.
I know.
That's crazy, you saying that?
Crazy. When we get close to the jetty, we can clean our fish.
Yeah.
We only have one knife though?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. I can do it quick. I got gloves. I got knife gloves too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got a knife. And if you slice them open, I could do the guts.
Oh, true. Can. Imagine later this year when we get our mountain bikes,
Hey.
we could go like go on a trip camping to like Big Sur or something. Bring the boat.
Shit.
Seaweed? Want me to reverse?
No, it's okay. Camping trips with our mountain bikes though?
Yeah, and then I could bring this boat too.
Oh shit. I could carry the mountain bikes on my car.
Yeah, that'd be so sick.
Are you varying the speed at all?
No, kinda, not really. Should I?
I think so. Maybe like see if it's faster, if they like the faster
Oh,
bike.
okay. I'm gonna go on the inside of that boat.
There's hella seaweed.
Oh yeah? Go outside then. Wanna throw in there?
Mackerel, just,
Oh.
I don't know, maybe.
But if there's predator fish down there.
You want it?
Yeah, I'm all rigged up.
It's so glassy.
Woo! I might get a little closer.
Oh, what is that?
You want?
Oh, so close. It looked like a lone mac or something. Passport. Irresponsible.
It's just irresponsible.
What's after yours now? What is that?
Oh.
It's a mac. Huh?
Yeah? That's crazy. It's so cool to watch.
I know.
Oh shit, it's right there.
What is that? It's a mac. Huh?
Yeah, it's a big one. If you didn't come fishing, I probably wouldn't have gone. Actually, I don't know, because when I was on the fence, before I knew you were gonna come, Jenny told me to make time for my hobbies.
Oh, bro.
I was like, oh, you're right, I should go.